Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply for an SBA loan through Lendio. SBA loans are one of the most popular financing options for small businesses, and Lendio simplifies the process. Here's how to apply. First, log into your Lendio account on the website. Once you're on your dashboard, click Apply for a Loan. Now from the loan type, you're going to select SBA loans. Now you're going to need to fill in your business information, such as your industry, time in operation, number of employees, and of course, annual revenue. Go ahead and provide your personal details, including the social security number and ownership percentages, since SBA loans require a personal guarantee. Now, upload required documents, typically tax returns, bank statements, profit and loss statements, and a business plan. Once that's done, review your application carefully to ensure that all fields and documents are complete, and then click Submit to send your application. Lendio will match you with SBA approved lenders who may reach out for additional details. Once matched, you're going to be guided through the lender's underwriting process until approval. SBA loans may take longer, but often provide the best rates and terms. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.